Wow. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully everybody's alright. I made it out through the storm. It's still kind of kicking. It's no rain, but it's a lot of wind. Anyway, look at all this, man. This is just a perspective from my house. Well, my apartment, whatever. With this tree branch half broke. Yeah. Anyway, right over there is where our car is, the silver one. Or gray one, whatever. One at the last space. Man, this is insane. Look at all that shit. All this shit was brown. Now it's all green because of the leaves. Wowzers. That shit's insane. Anyway, I'm gonna post this video and another video when I walk my dog in a little bit. Alright. Hopefully everybody's safe out there.